Hey everyone, looking for the strongest stocks in the market? Trading the 52-week high is a proven way to find momentum leaders. Today, I'm showing you the updated 2026 guide to filtering these stocks in seconds using TradingView. Let's head to the screener. First, log in to TradingView and look at the bottom panel of your chart or the Products menu at the top. Click on Stock Screener. In 2026, the interface is cleaner, but all the power is still tucked into the Filters button on the right. Step 2. Set your basic market filters. Before we hunt for highs, let's clean up the list. Click Filters and set your symbol type to Common Stock and select your preferred exchange like the NASDAQ or NYSE. This ensures you aren't looking at ETFs or penny stocks unless you want to. Step 3. Apply the 52-week high filter. Now, in the filter search bar, type New High. You will see an option for New 52-week high. Simply check that box. The list will instantly refresh to show only the stocks that have hit a new yearly high during today's trading session. Step 4. Refine with performance metrics. To find the best of the best, add one more filter: price percent change from 52-week high. If you set this to between -1% and 0%, you'll find stocks that are currently hovering right at the breakout point, ready to move. Step 5. Save your watch list. Once you have your list, click the export icon or simply select the symbols and right-click to add to watch list. Now you can flip through the charts and look for high-volume breakouts to confirm your entry. Momentum trading starts here. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.